for a MSME, the issues which we are facing, like transport related issues or related to departmental issues, you know, so that all is taken care in basically with this software. So we first started with CRM segment because that's the most important part for small agencies to, you know, get the leads and then to execute on that leads.
Hello everyone, I'm Harshita Pamnani, Head of Customer Success here in Odoo, India. In this world of fitness, Mr. Bhavesh Rajdeep transformed from a struggling businessman to a leading manufacturer for the finest gym equipment in the town. Let's have a conversation with him, understand his journey along with Odoo.
Myself, Bhavesh Rajdeep, founder and CEO of OnTrackYou Gym and Fitness Equipment. And we are using Odoo since last 3.5 years, and we are really glad that we are using this software for our team and for the success of our team. So, yep.
That's good to know that you have been using Odoo since so many years. But my major interest is to know about your company. Could you please brief me about that?
Sure, definitely. See, basically, we started as an IT company. I was a developer, worked, you know, lots of companies, and then thought about to start about my own company. Then you know, it's all about ups and downs, and then I figured it out because my area of interest is more in mechanical.
Right.
So I shifted to mechanical segment, and there we found OnTrackYou, and that basically works for gym and fitness equipment manufacturing.
Okay.
And with the grace of God, we have completed almost 100+ gym setups for, you know, taluka centers and bigger places where we have launched OnTrackYou very, very successfully. Our equipments are quite good, and we appreciate that customers also you know, feel good for our equipment.
So understanding that your sector is a very different sector from the regular sectors of you know, in market. So I'm really interested to know how was the journey of this sector started.
It started with like, you know, always start with a small team, initially 1 or 2 guys. So my couple of buddies, those who, you know, joined me as a developer, and then they become you know, associated or strong team members, you can say, with me. And so it started with 2 people, then it goes to 5 people. Now we are operating in the strength of 26 people.
Oh, wow.
And we are initially started with a, you know, issues like we are not able to even deliver single dumbbells to you know, other city customers.
Right.
But you know, gradually company grows, and lots of issues we have faced related to installations, related to design engineering, related to you know, transportations. So there are lots of issues which we have faced, and gradually we you know, come over with all sort of issues and gradually move forward. So we still wanted to grow, and we still wanted to move forward with Odoo, and we really feeling good that now for a MSME, the issues which we are facing, like transport related issues or related to departmental issues, you know, so that all is taken care in basically with this software. And so still we are working hard to, you know, grow more, just like Odoo.
I'm really glad that in your growth, we are the part of your growth. Moving forward, I'm really interested to know that which all applications or which all, you know, things are more interested for you in Odoo, which all application are more on which you guys are working.
So to be very honest, we started with the, you know, a free version of the Odoo. We started searching, you know, when we grow from 4 to 5 members to 10 people, then, you know, it becomes a small department of maybe one person. But as a human nature, sometimes information is not passed properly.
Agreed.
Yeah. So during that period, we started searching for some sort of a solution which gives us, because financial issues are also there with a small company. So we are looking for a cheaper solution which can provide us much more better opportunity and to console everything at one platform. And there we tried a couple of, you know, different platforms, and finally we landed up at Odoo. and that was free. They are going to give couple of segments. So we first started with CRM segment because that's the most important part for small agencies to get the leads and then to execute on that leads, because if there is no lead, there will be no sales. If there is no sales, there is no production, to be very honest. So we started with the basic CRM, and I'm really thankful to my team that they worked very hard on that. Even the free platform, Mr. Ankit and Mr. Mandeep, that they worked so hard, implemented lots of different. They tried different, domains which you guys are providing individually, and finally they figure it out and they utilize it well. So we used it for approximately 1 year for that CRM module. So we have initially couple of different modules. One is CRM, one is production. But then we finally found that, okay, if we can go for an enterprise or license version of the software, that will be much more beneficial for our whole team, because now team also grown up, and from one member it becomes almost 5 to 10 members team sometimes. So sales and marketing having 4 or 5 people. So it's very, very tough to coordinate each and every member on a same platform. And then we took the license version of the Odoo, and we are really using it well.
That's so good to know. So it is what really interesting part that you first was introduced to Odoo community, and then you later got to know about Odoo Enterprise.
We know from beginning about Odoo, enterprise version. But
may I ask from where?
Google.
Oh, is it?
Right? Because like I mentioned that we have searched for a couple of more solutions like this one. So we are having a couple of different platforms, like we are using Asana for team coordinations and task assignment, and we even try to manage production even in Asana because we are a small team. But then as we grow, we found challenges in that one, that it's also having lots of limitations. So we are using for WhatsApp bulk, we are using something for email, MailChimp, and so there are lots of different platforms we are using. But to consolidate that one, that was a hassle for us. Then gradually we Google it out, like I mentioned, and then we found Odoo, and they are providing it for free to try to check it out, how the things are, how things will be work, everything. Okay. So yeah.
So so get it clear. Okay, so you were on the first free one application which was applied. Then you later on purchased the enterprise version. Really good to know. So, you told the entire journey. I'm very happy that this journey, with the teamwork, you guys have able to achieve such place. So, what were the major challenges when you were, struggling in this, you were increasing the team size as well. So, what were the major challenges which you were facing?
See, to be honest, for any initial things, there are lots of challenges. Right. So for a small company where you have a couple of guys, there are lots of challenges for technology, coordination, financial issues. You have to manage productions. If you get the sales, you have to deliver that product. You have to have figure it out the transportation segment also. So initially there are lots of challenges. We worked almost like 12 hours a day. Online, almost like 24/7 we are online with a small team. Things worked it out in that format, and so we are, like I said, that we are using couple of platforms, like not only one platform. For mailing we are using something else, for communication we are using something else, for production segment we are using something else. We also use Google spreadsheets. We tried with Google spreadsheet. So lots of things which we have done, but as you grow, things stuck at some place, because they all have their own limitations. And there, we move forward in that limitations also. We did, we tried our best to give best to the customers, and we are thankful to, every customer of ours that they utilize our product well. And so far, we reached, pan India. Initially, we started with Gujarat only, but we face a issue like we are not even able to deliver dumbbells to the customer because postal services and courier guys and transport people, they're not even taking more than 5 kilos or 10 kilos, right? Even Amazon said no. Then so that are the challenges we face, but then things get settled down gradually. So now we have a transportation partner like TCI with us. We are using a enterprise level of a software solution.
Right.
So everyone is on a one platform,
Mhm.
and that makes us more thrilling to work hard, to
Right.
grow more,
Right.
and to reach with with more passion
Right.
towards increasing the team, increasing the work, providing better and better solution to the customers.
Right. And I'll agree with your point when you said that your growth is also dependent on your customers. Like
Exactly.
our growth is dependent on your growth. So we are very glad that you have gradually increased your business and your growth has been going so massive. So understanding that, what do you think? What would be your suggestions for Odoo? How Odoo can help you in your own growth more?
See, on this planet, if you can see, nobody is ever satisfied.
Agreed.
So
Right.
same thing is with as a customer. Sometimes customers are never satisfied with whatever you are going to provide. But
Yeah.
yes, couple of things I must say that they are providing very vast things to utilize or use it free. But couple of things like what the major issues my team is getting issues, because our platform or our domain is basically depending on product.
Right.
So Odoo is not providing that on enterprise level, that a product images needs to be attended on a quotation. So what we have seen on 2000 latest
Yes.
version, I
Version
hope that will
17.
be
Yes.
Yes. Manage that one. So that's the only thing, and small things are there. But yes, for a MSME like us, lots of things are still need to be implemented, whatever is available. And yeah, we are using most of the time CRM, we are using the best production, we are using the best payrolling, we are using that. So a couple of models which as a small company which is needed, we are using that one.
Okay. So as you said that you manifested about the images on quotation,
Yes.
and that came true on version
Yes.
17. I hope all of your feedbacks which
Yes.
you are having
Yes.
should come soon in version newer versions
Newer
of
version.
Odoo.
See, we have seen today by the owner of the Odoo,
Yes.
and we are really impressed the way they have cover up all the issues for a small companies, basically, because WhatsApp is now a daily routine for everyone.
Right.
Initially, there are different communication, Skype and all sort of emails and all sort of things were there, but now most of the people prefer WhatsApp. So if the WhatsApp integration is there, then life of the employee and the owner is quite smoother on that segment, that they can be connected to customer directly.
Right.
So website integration is also it's perfectly fine. And with this new segment of quotation, I think our couple of issues are taken care in that new release.
So good to know. This was so good to know about the your journey, how you feel about Odoo. Now I'm really keen to know, what do you feel about community days?
See, to be very honest, this is something which is I personally feel it's a wonderful gathering of human beings, or lots of people around, students, owners, partners, lots of opportunity to meet and coordinate with people. Business is one of the part and one of the opportunity, but meeting new people, like recently I met one of my past colleagues, those who are working with me, and they spotted me and they figure it out that how come you are over here, and so it's basically a wonderful to be a socialized, plus also having a wonderful opportunity, like we come to know about the channel partner segment of Odoo. So we also take one-on-one meeting with the team.
Right.
So yeah, it's wonderful, and this needs to be we also thinking that if this is in Ahmedabad, it's perfectly fine, not away from Vadodara, it's almost 100 kilometers away. But we think that if that type of events must to be taken in different cities, that is going to gather much more.
Definitely. We do certain events like road shows in all of the cities, like Ahmedabad, Pune, and other cities as well, Kolkata and also. I hope in future we can plan such big events also in other cities.
Just a small suggestion, not the big events, but if you can plan it out a small events, not with a huge, but yes, those who are perfectly interested in tier 2 cities maybe.
Definitely.
So that is going to bring lots of communications and coordination among the teams and different channel partners.
Yeah, we do that very often. That we call that is Odoo Roadshow.
Okay.
And yes, Vadodara is on our upcoming list. Soon you will get an email from me and my team.
Fine. We are excited for that.
That will be coming to Vadodara. So thank you for giving this interview. It was very fun to have this conversation. I was very excited to know about your journey. Thank you.